Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. Price prediction. Bitcoin price today is $25,711 with a 24-hour trading volume of $99.65 billion, market cap of $496.50 billion, and market dominance of 43.84%. The BTC price increased 16.54% in the last 24 hours. Based on data from March 14, 2023, at 15:51, the general Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is bullish, with 27 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 5 signaling bearish signals. BTC price prediction was last updated on March 14, 2023, at 15:51. Bitcoin key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $23,412, Bitcoin has support levels of $22,480, $20,897, and the strongest at $19,966. Similarly, Bitcoin resistance levels are at $24,995, $25,926, and $27,509. Bitcoin reached its highest price on November 10, 2021, when it was trading at its all-time high of $68,770, while Bitcoin's lowest price was recorded on July 17, 2010, when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.050000. The lowest price since its ADH was $15,599, cycle low. The highest BTC price since the last cycle low was $25,786, cycle high. The Bitcoin price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 56, greed. Bitcoin's current circulating supply is 19.31 MBTC out of max supply of 21.00 MBTC. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 1.73%, meaning 327,932 BTC were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Bitcoin is currently ranked number 1 in the proof-of-work coin sector and ranked number 1 in the Layer 1 sector. Bitcoin is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 60 days, since January 13, 2023. The price of Bitcoin is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 1 days, since March 13, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 425 days ago, on January 13, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 6, 2023, which was 36 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Bitcoin's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $20,984 by April 13, 2023. Bitcoin's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $24,856 by April 13, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 59.99, which indicates that the BTC market is in a neutral position. According to our current Bitcoin price prediction, the value of Bitcoin is predicted to rise by 8.28% and reach $27,789 by March 19, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish, while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 56, greed. Bitcoin recorded December 30th, 40%, green days with 5.65% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Bitcoin forecast, it's now a good time to buy Bitcoin.
Comparing Bitcoin against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Bitcoin price could head over the long term.
The table above shows what the Bitcoin price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best case scenario, BTC price prediction for year 2026 is $564,973 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Bitcoin would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $64,811. News: SVB crisis. Here are the crypto firms denying exposure to troubled US banks. Some of the biggest firms in crypto have denied exposure to any of the failed banks in the United States. Amid the ongoing United States banking crisis, several major cryptocurrency firms have denied exposure to dissolved U.S. banks like Silicon Valley Bank, SVB. As potential implications of the SVB crisis for the crypto market continue to unfold, Cointelegraph highlighted several major crypto firms that have declared to be unaffected by the issues so far. Tether, the operator of the eponymous US dollar-pegged stablecoin, Tether, USDT, was one of the first companies to deny exposure to SVB and other troubled U.S. banks as of mid-March. On March 12, Tether Chief Technology Officer Paulo Ardoino took to Twitter to announce that the stablecoin company has zero exposure to Signature Bank. The tweet came soon after Signature officially shut down operations the same day. Ardoino previously said that Tether had no exposure to SVB on March 10. The Chief Technology Officer posted a similar tweet about Silvergate on March 2, declaring that Tether did not have any exposure to the bank. Tether's USDT is the largest stablecoin by market capitalization, with a market value of $73 billion at the time of writing. Its biggest rival, USD Coin. USDC. Tickers down. $1. Briefly lost its 1:1 peg with the US dollar after its issuer, Circle, could not withdraw $3.3 billion in reserves from SVB. Crypto.com, Gemini, BitMEX. Chris Marsalek, CEO of major cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com, provided similar statements on the company being unaffected by the ongoing issues in U.S. banking. In subsequent tweets on March 10 and March 12, Marsalek declared that Crypto.com had zero exposure to Signature, Silvergate, and SVB. Other major exchanges, including Gemini and BitMEX, have also denied any exposure to the dissolved U.S. banks. Despite having a partnership with Signature, Winklevoss Brothers founded Gemini Exchange has zero customer funds and zero Gemini dollar (GUSD) funds held at the bank, the firm announced on March 13. Gemini emphasized that all customer US dollars and its GUSD reserves are held at banks like JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, and State Street Bank. BitMEX Exchange also took to Twitter on March 13 to announce that the company had no direct exposure to Silvergate, SVB, or Signature. All user funds continue to be safe and accessible 24/7/365, BitMEX added. Exchanges like Binance and Kraken have partly denied exposure to the dissolved banks, with Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao stating that Binance does not have assets at Silvergate, and former Kraken CEO Jesse Powell also denying exposure to SVB. Argo Blockchain. Bitcoin mining firm Argo Blockchain issued a statement on March 13, declaring that the company has no direct or indirect exposure to SVB and Silvergate Bank. However, the company said that one of Argo's subsidiaries holds a portion of its operating funds in cash deposits at Signature. These deposits are secure and are not at risk, Argo noted, citing a decision by the U.S. Treasury and Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation to rescue customer deposits at the bank. A number of other firms, including Animoca Brands, Abra and Alchemy Pay, have partly denied exposure to the troubled U.S. banks, stating that they had no assets at SVB and Silvergate. Some companies, like crypto custodian BitGo, declared it holds no assets at SVB while being not impacted by issues at Silvergate, USDC, and Signature Bank. What is JOMO in crypto trading? JOMO is that I was right about the market joyful feeling after narrowly escaping a bad trade and potentially catastrophic losses. JOMO stands for the joy of missing out, particularly when a cryptocurrency trader refuses to follow the crowd. It's the opposite of FOMO or fear of missing out, and it's the counterbalance to price rallies driven by hype and frenzy. What is JOMO in crypto trading? In crypto trading, JOMO stems from not following the herd, which is often wrong, and avoiding a potentially significant loss. For example, the frequent bullish calls in the Bitcoin market during the 2020 to 2021 bull run likely prompted many people to buy at the top, expecting more upside. Many market commentators, including analysts at Standard Chartered and JP Morgan Chase, predicted in 2021 that Bitcoin's BTC tickers down $25,955 price would reach $100,000 by the end of the year.
The widely tracked stock-to-flow model further boosted the bullish argument, given its accuracy through most of Bitcoin's bull and bear cycles.
However, Bitcoin's price fell short of its popular $100,000 target after peaking out in November 2021 at $69,000, down 60% since. Thus, the JOMO traders who either sold or didn't buy into the rally at the time came out on top. Moreover, they retained the capital to get in at lower levels when FOMO was non-existent, such as in June 2022, which marked Bitcoin's latest price bottom. JOMO after Bitcoin price peak. Market watcher Michael Goebel was one of the few JOMO traders who didn't buy into the overly optimistic Bitcoin predictions in late 2021. He reduced his crypto exposure a month before Bitcoin's peak, expressing his relief in May 2022. On the other hand, one trader confessed that he had bought Bitcoin at $60,000 in October 2021 after getting convinced by the market's anti-inflation narrative. He said, "The whole inflation thing finally clicked. I panicked and entered almost at ADH of 69K. Feels bad. Went down the rabbit hole, hours of research. Turning FOMO into JOMO. FOMO originates from the objective of making money quickly. Many traders believe they can double or triple their investments within a matter of days, weeks, or months by investing cryptocurrencies. Usually, traders with FOMO may open or close their trades multiple times a day without putting considerable thought or strategy behind them. These high-risk trades also mentally impact traders, even leading to stress and sleep deprivation. Here are 4 steps that a trader can take to turn FOMO into JOMO. Develop a trading plan. Keep a trading journal to monitor your trading patterns. Analyze potential trades using multiple metrics, including fundamental and technical analysis. Ignore emotions, follow your plan and adjust accordingly. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading move involves risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision. Thank you for watching today's video on cryptonic events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.